Magandang araw mga kamatalino at kamatyaga. Muli po ay samahan ninyo ako para sa panibagong pag-aaral na patungkol sa exponential functions. So ano nga po ba ang sinasabi nating exponential functions? So by the definitions, when we say exponential functions, an exponential function with base b is a function of the form f of x equals b raised to x or y equals b raised to x, na kung saan tatandaan natin na yung base natin is greater than 0 at hindi po dapat mag-equal sa 1. So tingnan natin yung mga example ng exponential function. First, meron tayong f of x equals 3 raised to x. Next, f of x equals 2 raised to x plus 1. And then we have f of x equals 5 raised to x squared minus 4. So mapapansin po natin sa exponential functions, dahil ito ay function, we have f of x. Okay? Another po, because it is exponential, mapapansin natin na yung ating x ay nasa exponent. Okay? Like this. 3 raised to x, 2 raised to x plus 3, 5 raised to x squared minus 4. So what are the properties of exponential functions? Una, the exponential function is a one-to-one function. Second, the domain consists of all real numbers. Okay, lahat yan, negative or positive. But ang range natin ay nagko-consist lang po ng all positive real numbers. Okay? Next property, the function is increasing, the curve is rising. Pataas po. Kailan? Kapag ang base daw natin ay greater than 1. Okay? Pero, kapag ang base natin ay between 0 and 1, the function is decreasing. Therefore, makikita natin sa ating graph that the curve is falling. Okay? Another property, the curve passes through 0 and 1. And the curve is asymptotic to the horizontal axis. Okay? Meaning asymptotic, no? It will get closer and closer but will not touch it. Alright? So those are the properties. Let's have our example. Let us consider the case where b is or the base is greater than 1. Okay? So ano po to? Ang atin pong equation dito or the given function is f of x equals 2 raised to x. Okay? So let's say ito yung mga values ng x natin, no? We can set any values of x. Okay? Dahil ito daw po ay all real numbers. Okay? So pwedeng negative, pwedeng positive. So, ang pinili ko ay negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll just substitute it to our exponent, no? Dahil nandoon yung x. Y equals 2x. So what is 2 raised to negative 2? Okay? Get the reciprocal, so it will become 1/2 raised to 2. Okay? So that is 1/4 or 0.25. And then also 2 raised to negative 1. Get the reciprocal, it will become 1/2. Negative 1 will become positive 1. So 1/2 raised to positive 1 is 1/2 and also equal to 0.5. Okay? Next, 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. And 2 raised to 3 is 8. Okay? So kapag ipinakita po natin yung graph ng ating function, eto po yun. Okay? So this is negative 2 and 0.25. This is negative 1, positive 0.5. This is 0, positive 1. Positive 1 and positive 2. Positive 2 and positive 4. Positive 3 and positive 8. Okay, so makikita po natin na based on the graph of this function, f of x equals 2 raised to 2x, the function is an increasing function. Bakit? Dahil habang tumataas yung value ng x, tumataas din po yung value ng y. Okay? And also, makikita din po natin dito na the graph of this function intersects the y-axis at y equals 1. Okay? So, yan po ang ating y-intercept. Okay? So, the graph of f of x does not intersect the x-axis. So, meaning, wala po tayong x-intercept. Alright? Now, note that the x and y-intercept may also be obtained by substituting y variable or the x variable by 0. Okay? Para makita po natin yon. So, again, kapag ginawa nating 0 yung y, so 0 equals 2 raised to x. Wala tayong any value no, ng x na pwedeng i-substitute para mag-equal sa 0. Okay? So that's why no, there is no x-intercept. Alright? Another example. So let us consider naman that the base is between 0 and 1. And our equation here is f of x equals 1/3 x, no? Or pwedeng baliktad, no? F of x equals 3 raised to negative x. Okay? For example, same value of x po ang aking nilagay dito, negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, positive 2, and positive 3. And then we will just substitute to the exponent. Okay? So 1/3 raised to negative 2, get the reciprocal of 1/3, that is 3. And then negative 2 will become positive 2. So 3 raised to positive 2 is positive 9. Okay? Next. 1/3 raised to negative 1, get the reciprocal of 1/3 will become 3 raised to positive 1 is positive 3. Okay, and then 1/3 raised to 0, any number raised to 0 is positive 1. 1/3 raised to positive 1 is 1/3, also equivalent to 0.3333. And then 1/3 raised to 2 is 1/9 or 0.11. And then 1/3 raised to positive 3 is 1/27 or 0.037. Okay? So, ito yung ating graph. Yan. So, this is negative 2, positive 9, negative 1, positive 3, 0 and 1, 1 and 0.333 or 1/3, 2 and 1/9 or 0.11, and then 3 and 1/27 or 0.037. Okay, so mapapansin naman po natin dito that the function f of x equals 1/3 raised to x is a decreasing function. Bakit po? Dahil as x increases, pataas po yung ating x, yung value naman ng y natin ay nag-decreased. Okay? So also, as a property, makikita natin dito na ang ating y-intercept is equal to 1. Okay? Intersect the y-axis at y equals 1. And still, wala po tayong value ng x-intercept, no? Asymptotic lang kasi siya, 'di ba? So hindi siya pwedeng mag-intersect sa ating x-axis. Okay? So that is the example of our exponential function rather, no, with the given equation, with the given table of values and the graph. All right? So now, exponential functions, magagamit natin siya in real-life situations, di ba? Like population growth, radioactive decay, carbon dating, growth of an epidemic or loan interest rates, investment, and so more. Okay? For example, at t equals 0, so at time equals 0, there were initially 40 bacteria. So suppose that the bacteria doubles every 200 hours. Give an exponential model for the bacteria as a function of t. Okay? So there were initially 40 bacteria at t equals 0. Okay? And suppose that the bacteria doubles every 200 hours. Okay? So take note of that. So here's our solution. So initially, at t equals 0, the number of the bacteria is 40. And then nagdo-double daw at every 200 hours. So, number of bacteria is equal to 40 times 2 kasi nag-double po. Okay? So, another 200 R's, number of bacteria again nag-double. So, raised to 2. 2 raised to 2. Okay? Next 200 R's, nag-double po ulit tayo. No? So, this is the third time na nag-double ang ating bacteria. So, raised to 3. And then for the fourth time na nag-double ang ating bacteria, which is at the next 800 hours, no? Ito na po yung ating magiging exponential model. No? So for this situation, exponential model is y equals 40 times 2. Makikita po natin ito, no? 40 times 2. So hindi na natin dito nilagay yung bakit wala tayo ditong 40 times 2. No? Kasi pag na-raise po natin sa 0 yan, 1 din naman yun. So 40 times 1 is also 40. No? So 40 times 2 raised to time, kung ilan yung time, ito po yun, divided by yung 200 hours kung kailan nagdo-double, no, yung ating bacteria. Okay? Another example. So this is that example is the growth. Okay? Ngayon naman, let's go to decay. Okay? Pabawas naman tayo. Suppose that the half-life of a radioactive substance is 10 days and there are 10 grams initially. Determine the amount of substance remaining after 30 days. So nag-start naman tayo sa 10 days, no? Initially, meron tayong nag-start tayo initially sa 10 grams. Okay? So here, let T equals time in days. We use the fact that the mass is half every 10 days. Okay? So, half-life. So, initially, at T equals 0, the amount of substance is 10 grams. So, every 10 days, half. So, ano yung half ng 10 grams? That is 5 grams. So, another 10 days, half ulit, yung 5 grams naging 2.5 grams na lang. And then, pagdating ng 30 days, yung 2.5, kalahati ulit, 1.25 grams. So, how we will show the exponential model for this situation? That is, y equals 10, and then, nag-half siya, di ba, every 10 days. Raised to time, ito, kung ilang days, and then over every 10 days. Okay? So, ito ay 10 grams. So, yung 10 grams, half raised to ilang days po ang inabot divided by every 10 days. Okay? That is our exponential model for this situation. Alright? So, that's all for this lesson. Alright? So, thank you for listening and don't forget to like and subscribe.